Hello everyone. The concept of advisory jurisdiction, which is to be explained in Article 143 of Constitution. So advisory jurisdiction, the name itself indicates advising to the lower authority to higher authority. So this concept we will be practicing in the beginning in England, and the topic of jurisdiction will be taken place in Article 124 to 147 of the Constitution, and which will be classified into three as relating to jurisdiction: original, appellate, and advisory jurisdiction. So advisory jurisdiction, what it means in Article 143 to clearly explain the power of a president to consult Supreme Court. So in such circumstances, if any time it appears to the president that a question of law or fact has arisen, so which mainly arise in the question of law or fact, and in such a nature as well as such public importance has been taken place, so the power of president to consult the Supreme Court as it think fit, and the president may notwithstanding anything. So already you know about the Article 131, so which gives the exclusive jurisdiction to Supreme Court, or Supreme Court have given power to hear or determining the particular dispute as relating to the in between the state disputes or in between the states and union territory. So the subclause of the 143 which defining the advisory or consultative jurisdiction, according to this Article 143, to conferring the particular jurisdiction and commonly which is called as advisory jurisdiction. So as relating to this advisory jurisdiction, to know about one by one case laws. So one of the important case law is relating to advisory jurisdiction, Delhi Law Case Act. In this case, the court considered the validity of act with regard to delegated legislation. So the delegated legislation means to delegating the power of authority to another, or to transferring the power of authority to another which is to be valid one. And Re Kerala Education Bill in the year of 1958, the bill was reserved for the consideration of President who referred to Supreme Court to give its opinion on its validity, so which is to be considered as valid one as relating to advisory jurisdiction. And another one, Re Beriberi Union in the year of 1960, the opinion of court was sought to find out the manner in which the territory of union or the territory of India could be transferred to the Pakistan, in this case particularly which is to be valid one. And Re Sea Custom Act in the year of 1962 to considering the validity of sea custom, the Sea Custom Bill with reference to Article 288 was valid one. So another important case law is Special Court Reference Case, which is also known as Keshav Singh's case. So in this case, the reference was made to consider the extent of privileges of the legislature and the power of judicial reviews in relation to it, so which is correlations with legislature as well as judicial. So the concept of this advisory jurisdiction is the power of president authority, or the power of authority which is have given president only to consult the Supreme Court. So these all are the important particular case laws which are precedent of this particular advisory jurisdiction as important one. Thank you.